Hello everyone, welcome to all this channel. Today I am going to show you a project that is how to calculate area of the square, and this is the code. Let us write step by step line to line code once again. Let us start. We all know the formula of area of square, that is we are learning from our childhood, that is side of the square. Let us take an example. If there is a square like this, once let me draw it. Let us assume this is a square. It is not perfect because I drawn with mouse. Let us think this is a square. If let its side of one side is one side of this square, it let be 2 centimeters. If it is 2 centimeters, then its area will be 2 square, that is 4. Its area is 4 centimeter square. We all know this is basics. If the side of the means the length of side, it can be means it can be in thousands like that, then we need help of calculator, so that this application is very useful for us. Let us start. We know the very first line of C language is hashtag include stdio.h. We will do this in int sum, and every project we are doing in int main, but this project let us do in word main. And we are going to print one statement because this is the heading of our program, going to calculate the area of the square, and the next line will come in not in the same line, it will come in next line, the next line which we are writing. And we are giving some variable that we are not using int, because here we are using float, so that only we are not doing in int main. There are some types of variables like this: float, int, like that. String means for alphabets, int for numbers means only integers, float is for decimals and integers, so that we are using float and word main. And now we are printing statement that is the area of this square. And for int we will use this mod d, but for float we will use mod f. And now we are writing now int square. In that float side means the variable which we are giving, it is in float, so that the variable name is side. Now we are printing another statement: enter the length of the side in meters. It is already given that in meters, so that we will not give like centimeters, millimeters, kilometers, will not give, only in meters will give, that is as a unit of length. And if the input is given like 7 meters, then it will take the input and it will square the input. It will square the 7, it gives answers 49, like that this scan is used. Now it will return, and the application is side into side. This one we have written, means we have written statement we use it, so that we should not use another variable. Directly we can write in return. And let us run and check it. Let us give the input as 10. It will give 100 as answer. Let us check it is giving or not. See, it is giving. We had used float, so that this 0 is also there. The area of the square is 100. Let us give in decimals now. Let us check it is coming in decimals or not. See, it is 12.77. It is taking the decimals and it is giving us 163. If we use int, it will not take the statement and it will give 0 as the answer. I think you understood how to do the calculation of area of square. I think you understood how to do it. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.